Hello, my friends, and welcome to my world. Today, I'm going to do an update on my Survival Seeds 2026 and my Grow What You Eat 2026 garden happenings. Anyone who's been watching knows the problems I've been having with my garden this year. So here's something that's pretty hilarious. You see those little pieces of corn right there? Those were either buried or dropped by the critters that Mom is feeding, or that Mom is having me feed. And I got a couple of pieces of corn that are now growing. I find that hilarious when the rest of my garden is still pretty much suffering. But let's go have a look. I worked on it a little bit today. So I filled this all in. I've got several pots in there. And then I came in here with a bunch of mint that I bought. And I've got a couple of tomatoes, more mint, some lemon balm, a couple of peppers. And I came out and put some basil seeds in. And so yeah, hopefully something will start growing. It does get better sun back here now that we've taken out a bunch of the trees, so that does make me hopeful that something will grow back here eventually. That will make me happy. Meanwhile, on the inside, my hydroponic system is not performing as it should. It's definitely time for me to rip it apart and give it a good cleaning and start all over again, because I'm now getting moss and mold. However, on a good note, I did start some ginger and it is growing like mad. Oh my goodness. Look at what my friend Theresa just dropped off for me. I've got some nettle and some oregano and some thyme and sage and marjoram and some yarrow. And look at this beautiful, beautiful chamomile. Look at that. And then we've got some more lemon balm. Yes, yes, yes. And some tulsi. Some beautiful holy basil. So I can't wait. I'm going to move them right outside. They've all been hardened off already. We have been having some spectacular weather out here the last couple of days. Trey, right now it is 67 degrees and we have all this beautiful sunlight. It's absolutely gorgeous taking down those trees. Well, right now the sun would have been up in the sky regardless of whether we took those trees out or not. But anyway, so I've been planting the beautiful, wonderful plants that Theresa brought me. I planted them today. And so let's see, I have chamomile and a marjoram and lots of Thai basil, some nettle, some thyme, some sage. What is that? Oh, that's actually the marjoram. The other one is the oregano. And then I have more oregano and some hyssop. And my poor little dwarf tomato here is looking a little bit rough. I don't know what's up with that, but it does have some little flowers on it. So I actually took it out of its pot and put it right into the dirt today. So hopefully that will help. I don't know. I'm shading it right now, but I'm hoping. Look, I have what I believe is. Let's see. Where is my camera? Right up here, right? Okay. So let's see if we can find in the camera. Is that it? Oh, let's put my hand there. Look at this. I think this is going to be a little tiny tomato. It'll be my first one. Now, these guys, I'm going to come out and check with my water meter before I water them tonight. And make sure they're not just a little bit droopy from the heat, because they are right in the sun right now. So should probably pull that chamomile and put it maybe somewhere a little bit cooler in the heat of the day, which is, now. This is as hot as it's going to get today. But yeah, I also, and this not bad for an old broad, I moved 5 wheelbarrows full of bark dust, and I put them around here, and I put them in another spot in the garden. But yeah, so not many of my survival seeds survived. I think the only thing I have that has survived from Survival Seeds 2026 is these shishito peppers right here. So I'm trying to baby them. I'm hoping for the best with them, but yeah, that is the only thing. I had to buy some heirloom tomatoes at the market, and all these beautiful herbs and stuff were given to me by our friend Theresa. So yeah, we're doing what we're doing. In all my life, I have never seen a plant just growing out of the top of a wood pile. What do you want to bet? It's corn. Oh, come on. It sure as heck is. Those birds dropped this corn seed that we're feeding them out here, and now I got corn growing everywhere. My goodness. Well, I bet if I toss it out, they'll eat it again. I have some kind of a squash or something growing here. I haven't pulled any up to see exactly what they are, but yeah, they must have been some dropped seeds from somebody. And that is where my garden lands at this time of the year. It's not doing as good as it usually does towards the middle to the end of June, but for my Survival Seeds 2026 and my Grow What You Eat 2026 collaborations, here's what I've got for you. Thanks everybody for coming and hanging out with me and watching my garden grow, kind of. Anyway, have yourself a most fabulous day, and I will see you soon. Take good care of yourself. Bye now.